Assalamu alaikum students, how are you all? Today we are going to start class 7 mathematics topic representation of sets. Let us start with the learning outcomes of this unit. So at the end of this unit you will be able to define representation of sets, express descriptive, tabular and set builder form. Now what is representation of a set? In representation of a set, the following three methods are commonly used. So we represent the set through descriptive or statement form, roster or tabular form, rule or set builder form. These three methods of representation of a set. Number 1 is descriptive form of set. So how to write the set in descriptive form? Let's see. Descriptive form is stating in words the elements of a set. So in descriptive form we state or write the elements of a set in words, like in the form of a statement. So set of first 5 natural numbers are written in descriptive form. Similarly, set of positive even integer less or equal to 50 is also written in descriptive form or the statement form. Now, what you have to do, you have to write the following sets into the descriptive form. So, I am requesting the teacher to please stop this slide for 5 minutes and ask students to tell the descriptive form of the given sets to their teacher, as well as after the video they can write these type of sets in descriptive form in their math copies. Okay students, so I hope you have understood how to write the set in descriptive form. Now move towards the next slide. What is the tabular or roster form of a set? How can we represent a set in tabular or roster form? In tabular form or roster form, we list all the elements of a set separated by commas and enclosed within braces or curly bracket. For example, set A. Here you can see we represent this set A set with the capital letter A. After this we will put the is equal to sign and then we write the element of the set inside the curly bracket. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, these are the elements and we will separate the element by using commas. So this is the set of first 5 natural numbers. B, set B equals to 2, 4, 6, 8, 50 is the set of even numbers up to 50, and set C is equal to curly bracket 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, comma ellipsis curly bracket close is the set of positive odd numbers. So these three are the example of the tabular or roster form. In tabular or roster form, we list the element of a set and separate the element of a set and enclose the element of a set with curly bracket. The symbol 3 dot is called an ellipsis. Here you can see in this set we have 3 dots. These 3 dots are. Now I am requesting the teacher to please stop this slide for 5 minutes and ask students to tell the answers of the given sets. And after this video you can write the sets in the roster form in your copies. So students, I hope you all have shared your answer with your teacher. Now I'm moving towards the next slide. Set builder form of set. Writing in symbolic form the common characteristics shared by all the elements of the set. For example, this set is written in the form of a set builder. Here we use different symbols to represent the common characteristics shared by the element of the set. So how can we read this set in set builder form? We read as set A is a set of all x such that x is a positive even integer less than 12. This vertical line is called such that. This is also denoted by two dots or the vertical line. So such that is represented by this vertical line or two dots like colon. Now here another example of how to write a set in set builder form. So here a set is written in the set builder form. How we will read it? We will read it the set of all x, and these two dots are representing such that it is also represented by the vertical line like this. So we'll read it as the set of all x such that x is less than 2. So I hope you all have understood how to write the set in set builder form as well as how to read the set in set builder form. Now few more examples of set in set builder form. These two sets are also written in set builder notation. Both the sets are same. Only the difference is of the vertical line and these two dots or colon. So what is the set? We'll say B is a set of all x such that x is a natural number less than 6. Or B is a set of all x such that x is a natural number and x is less than 6. So means actually in set builder notation we are talking about the natural number that are less than 6. Now again the practice time. I am requesting the teacher to please stop this slide for 5 minutes and ask a student to share their answer in the set builder form to their teacher. So what you have to do? You have to change the set in set builder form and share your answers with your teacher. And after watching the video, you have to attempt these questions in your math copies as well. Okay students, so I hope you have shared your answer with your teacher. Now move towards the next slide. Few more examples of a set in descriptive form, set builder form and roster form. Here you can see that how can we represent a set in set descriptive form, set builder form and roster form. So what is the first set? The set of all vowels in English alphabet. It is written in descriptive form. How can we write the same set in set builder form? We will write x is a set of all x such that x is a vowel in the English alphabet. Similarly, we will write the same vowels of English alphabet in the roster form like this. We will simply list all the vowels of English alphabet in a roster form and separate them by using comma. The set of all odd positive integer less than or equal to 15. We'll write set builder form in this way and roster form of the second set in this way. Similarly, the third set is the set of all positive cube numbers less than 100. We write this set in set builder form in this way and the roster form in this way. So I hope you all have understood how to write the set in descriptive form, set builder form and roster form. One more thing I want to repeat, that all of you please attempt the questions of descriptive form, set builder form and roster form in your copies which are given in this video. So good luck and thank you.